Thank you so much. My name is Matuere Julius. I'm a member of the County Assembly NYAMIRA, representing Bonyamatuta Ward. And we are here this afternoon because we came to meet the Chief Whip of the National Assembly, our brother Honorable Osoro, so that we can shed some light on the happenings in NYAMIRA County concerning the impending impeachment motion, which we are due to do tomorrow in the County Assembly of NYAMIRA. And we have taken some time to discuss with Mheshimiwa Osoro over the various issues why we have finally decided to impeach the governor, His Excellency NYARIBO. And we have decided that we have an issue that needs to be tackled concerning the leadership of the county under the leadership of Governor NYARIBO. And therefore, we believe Honorable Osoro has gotten reasons why we are impeaching the governor. The motion is to be tabled tomorrow in the Assembly. And above the many reasons why we are impeaching the governor is abuse of office. And there are many other reasons anyway that we will table to in the Assembly tomorrow. And above the others is that service delivery has been very poor. And the governor has failed in his duties of bringing the people together so that we can be able to discuss these issues. And time is approached, though he's playing some PR that he has invited the Assembly over the same and we have failed. The gentleman is not ready, and we have equally said we are not ready to meet him because of a few issues here and there. Otherwise, Osoro, we know that you have the ability to unite these forces and the Moguzi region in particular. Being the majority whip in the National Assembly, we owe you respect as our leader. And therefore, rest assured that we are ready for negotiations, if only the governor is ready to reach us. But we want to assure you that we have a watertight case, and the public should rest assured that we are ready to ensure service delivery, and in this case, efficient service delivery to the people of NYAMIRA who elected us. We have no personal vendetta against the governor. All that we are demanding is that we need him to work. The people should get service. There are no drugs in hospitals. There are no roads. Even the available, the few that have been done is after push and shove. Otherwise, we are saying we are ready to tackle this issue and arrive at an amicable, harmonious solution. If only the governor is ready to listen to us. I want to beg to stop here and say we wish you well, Bwana Osoro. Thank you for reaching out to us. Asante sana.